Buying 2020 Lamborghini. Time to update you guys on the SVJ Roadster. Do it. So buying 2020 Lamborghini, nice view in the back. Man, this is a cool day to talk about my damn SVJ update, Roadster update. So let's go. The way it's gonna work with my channel is that I don't really see how people discuss how they close the deal. You know, I think it would be a good opportunity, you know, to show you guys how I do my SVJ Roadster deal. So make sure you hit subscribe, follow. Am I gonna do cash? Am I gonna do financing? Am I gonna do leasing? There's so many things to talk about, so hit subscribe. It'll be interesting to follow along. Adpersonum is a personalization for Lamborghini factory. So if you wanted your name, you know, embedded somewhere in the car, or if you wanted to put green mixed with yellow or orange with, you know, you go beyond the configurator. When you go on the configurator, certain things are already preset, so you can't really change much, you know. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still decked out nevertheless. And Adpersonum division's closed due to COVID. So my sales guy, he says, you know what, his name's out of Newport, Lamborghini. He says, we can get your allocation in, but you, as long as you configure the car in the configurator. And I said to him, I go, at the time, I was like, I didn't have an issue with it, because I'm like, you know what, car's already super decked out, and that's cool. But the more I thought about it, and the more videos I've watched online, I've noticed that a lot of SVJ Roadsters don't, in the interior, it's kind of dark, you know, especially during where the dash, front dash, and middle console is going to be, with that Lamborghini logo on the passenger side. So anyway, I noticed there's not a lot of coloring inside, you know. So the more I thought about it, and I spoke with my wife, she's like, you know what, you should get what you want. So I kind of feel bad, but this is where it all changed. Man, this Jordan Hawk Falk guy, he has a lot of patience. Okay, huge shout out. This is the difference between some shitty salesman and a salesman who know what he's doing and have the patience to deal with luxe clients, you know, or at least luxury clients, if you will. Am I that guy? I don't know. All I know is I wanted my interior. No, I wanted my interior to have color inside instead of your typical black, you know, like all the other SVJ Roadsters. So lo and behold, you know, after he talked with the factory or something like that, I got back to him, so that it's good to go. They approved it. Now the order's in. He originally ordered the car, even going with the traditional configurator, and he's like, I'm not obligated to buy the car, but he's gonna order it anyway. So, but you know what, lo and behold, he got it approved, and that's what I'm talking about right there, man. A badass salesman who knows what he's doing, you know, and also a good dealership too. Will probably have tremendous amount of volume, or enough volume where, you know, the factory are like, you know what, we got to make this happen because these guys sell a lot of cars, you know, which I'll explain more in another video. It's long, man. But yeah, so now, nice view. It's orders in. The dash gonna have color in the interior, very nice, and you guys gonna come along for the ride. But the best part is this. No, actually not the best part. The worst part is that the price went way up. At least another 15 grand or so, you know. So now the car is like probably a little over 700 grand. Fuck, man. But you gotta get what you want, right? So look, man, so that's the update to the SVJ Roadster. Buying 2020 Lamborghini, update to the SVJ Roadster. I'm kind of excited, you know. But look, the other nice thing about it is that make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see how I'm going to close this deal. Is it going to be a lease? Is it going to be financing loan, or is it going to be like a cash deal, right? So not very many channels talk about this, you know, how the wrap. You're only seeing them taking delivery. You don't see like how they're closing this deal. I'm going to have you guys kind of follow my journey. Fuck me, look like a Cookie Monster there. so just make sure you follow my my channel, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll close this deal and with you following along, basically, and you can see every step of the way. So make sure you do that. Is it going to be cash deal? Huh? Not necessarily. It all has pros and cons, you know, but that's what we're going to talk about. So make sure you hit subscribe, bell notification. You love Lamborghinis? Hit subscribe. You love me, the shitty car dealership expert? Hit subscribe. Follow the journey. SVJ. Do it.